So you want to know how you're going to promote your Fiverr affiliate links. So in this video, we're going to go over the 3 ways that you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links in the new Fiverr affiliate marketing program. So one of the top ways and the best ways that I suggest that you learn is to take your link and go and learn how to promote it on social sites like Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram. My favorite is Facebook. I think a lot of people actually have a good experience with Quora as well. It's not really my thing, but I've been watching a lot of videos on it. And but what you basically want to do is, I like to go into Facebook. You can go into Facebook groups, and there's a lot of people that, a lot of communities in there, the Facebook groups. And what you can do is look for people that are looking for help. Like, oh, I need help with a graphic designer. I need a video editor, which I have definitely asked for on Facebook and gotten bombarded by people just just harassing me and spamming me. What you want to do is add value. If you find these groups, you go into these groups where people need help, and then you just say, hey, I see that you're looking for a graphic designer. I've used Fiverr a lot and found a lot of good people. Here's actually a link of someone that I've used that is very successful. Now you can link yourself, but a lot of times it'd be better to link somebody else, right? So, you might be a Fiverr seller, but like I am, but what I'd like to do, what I think would be more effective, and what I've seen happen a lot of times, when you try to promote yourself, people are like, oh, you're just trying to sell me, right? The guard's up. It's like, oh, get out of here. But if you promote somebody else, now they're like, oh, wow, they're really promoting somebody else. They had a good experience. It's almost like you're putting a review for that person out on the internet. You're spreading it around the internet, and people will say, oh, well, people will appreciate that. You say what you like about the person. You could literally just pull a copy of a review off somebody and take that review and copy it and then paste it into your comments in a Facebook group or a Facebook post and say, hey, I really found a lot of, I had a lot of jobs, and I found that this person does an excellent job in producing that kind of product. Maybe it's, like I said, graphic design, video editing, photo editing, whatever the case may be, SEO, social media marketing, whatever the case may be, you just say that this person was really good. So you're going to take that link and you're going to link to that specific person. Now, if you don't know how to link to that specific gig or person, go ahead and check out this video right here where I'm going to give you the Fiverr affiliate program tutorial, so that you know a little bit more and a little bit better how to do that. So, and then the second way that we're going to do this is through Quora. So Quora is just like a forum where you can go and people are asking questions. Well, you can find people that are asking questions about a specific subject. So if they're asking questions about like, oh, how do I drive more traffic to my website? Well, someone's going to be asking that. You can say, well, you're really going to need some SEO work. And then SEO gets really deep. You can go to a brief explanation. I mean, you could literally just take like a quick snippet off a website, put it in there, say, hey, this is what you need to do. And then you could say, hey, this guy, guy XYZ, guy, Xavier, whatever, whatever name that you want there, you could say he's really good, whatever profile that you pick, and you post that link. And you can post that link and you say, he's really good. Now they're going to click that link. They're going to go over to Fiverr. Maybe they buy from that person. Maybe they don't. But then maybe they're just going to look for other stuff and they become a buyer on Fiverr, and then you get paid the commission. Now the third way that you can do this is kind of like it's search, right? So there's 2 things you can do with this. And so it's like 3A and 3B here. So 3A is doing a YouTube video like you're watching right now. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet for people that are searching for things. So you can make a video about, hey, how to do graphic design, or what's the best graphic design? Where do you get the best graphic design? You have to do some keyword research that goes along with this. Same thing. And then for part B is the blog, right? So you can learn how to create a blog. If you don't like doing video, I would highly suggest that you start creating a blog. Learn how to do that, because that's a serious skill. Now, I like doing videos, but I'm not going to do blogs. I'm not a writer. It's just not my thing. But video is a lot easier for me, so I choose video. So those are the 3 ways. You can do social media. You can post on sites like Quora or other forums, and then you can also just do your own creation, where you could create a YouTube video, or you could create a YouTube channel or a blog post, and constantly drive traffic. I suggest number 3. I think 3 is going to leverage your time the most, because you don't have to keep doing it over and over again. Once you post a video or you post a blog, it gets traffic on its own, and you don't have to keep doing it like you would on posting on forums, answering questions on Quora, going into other people's blog articles and making comments, suggesting your seller on Fiverr. And then the other way on social media, going into Facebook groups or finding people that need some help and posting about somebody else in the Facebook group. Now, so you're going to need to know, in order to do this, you're going to need to know how to pick a specific link and link it to that person or that person on the gig, that seller on Fiverr. And if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and click on the link right here for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.